Greetings, my name is Oranjan Amlambans. My daily devotion for today. This is based upon the video series of Pastor Russell Campos 365 Daily Devotion, and our topic for today is Humility Makes Us Beautiful. Our scripture is Philippians chapter 2, verse 3 to 4. Do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit. Rather, in humility, value others above yourselves, not looking to your own interests, but each of you to the interests of the others. Our first teaching is humility is being selfless, no? So in everything we do, yung pinaka main aim talaga dito is to not be selfish, no? Yung isang kasabihan na binigay dito ni Pastor Russell Ocampo ay yung sinabi ni or quoted from C.S. Lewis na humility is not thinking less of yourself, no? It's thinking of yourself less, no? Yung humility bo, yung or yung humility, being humble is not through lowering how your self-esteem, lowering your self-confidence, lowering how you look at yourself. No, you maintain the value of yourself, no? Paano mo tinitignan yung sarili mo, ano yung value mo bilang tao, bilang individual. Ngunit, tinataas mo or nagiging or you hold in great regard others compared to yourself. You put them first before you. Na syempre kung mababa yung tingin mo sa sarili mo, your humility is not at the same value as someone who knows their value, no? Sabihin natin nakapag-aral ka na mabuti, doktor ka, or CEO ka man, pero nagagawa mo pang pag-isipan yung mga tao mas may bawang position sa iyo o mas mababa ang kaalaman compared sa iyo. So, that's humility. Despite being greater or being aware of how valuable you are able to put others first before your needs, no? And yung pinaka-greatest example nito is yung Jesus. So, Jesus came down and became human. So, a God became human for the sake of us. Jesus came to us to serve, not to be served. To be a servant, not to call upon servants to Him. No? So, dito talaga natin makita na the greatest example of humility is Jesus. Na Diyos magiging tao para sa iyo. No? And God is very aware of His value. No? Infinite. Na magiging tao siya para sa kagaya natin ng mga hindi naman malinis noon, hindi naman yung kaaya-aya sa mata ng Panginoon, but we were still loved, no? Number 2, humility values others above oneself. So if you want to be seen as great, no? Don't see yourself as greater. Do not see yourself as the epitome, yung pinaka-pedestal. Bagkus tignan mo yung iba na mas mataas kaysa sa iyo. At ikaw ang maglilingkod sa kanila, no? So which is why this is very important for people in higher positions or for people who hold greater ability, more talent than others, na dapat yung kahit nasa mataas kang position or in a situation in life, na kaya mong magpakababa, no? Na maglingkod sa mga mas mababang position kaysa sa iyo, na dahil yun talaga yung mga tao na beautiful, rather great. Kasi isipin mo, mas tuktok ka na nga, pero pinili mo parang maging lingkod sa mga mas mababa sa iyo. So, as a president, no? Parang as a president, as a CEO, as a pastor, as a leader, lahat yan. Na, siba mo, you're in a position of authority, but you choose to serve. So, yun yung one of the beauties of humility. Na kahit may authority ka, alam mo yung tao na kaya niyang gawin yung gusto niya. Pero pinili niya pa rin tulungan yung mga mas mababa kaysa sa kanya. It's beautiful, no? Number 3, humility seeks the goodness of others. Syempre, kung inuuna mo yung iba, inuuna mo yung interest ng iba, kasama na rin yung you seek the good of others or good for others, no? Na hinahanap mo, na gumagawa ka ng kabutihan para sa kanila. O naghahanap ka ng paraan para para bigyan sila ng kabutihan. Parang ganun, no? In a sense, it's the humility to not look at your own interests. So, parang sa verse, not look to your own interests, but each of you to the interests of others. So, pansinin mo or bigay ka ng atensyon sa interest ng iba. The good of others more than the good of yourself. What benefits others compared to what benefits yourself. Kumbaga, the greater good of the majority, the greater good of everyone else, not yourself. So, huwag mo unahin ang iyong sarili, no? So, inuuna mo dapat ang ibang tao compared or inuuna mo yung dapat yung ibang tao talaga imbis yung sa sarili mo. Na let's always also keep in mind na madalas in this world na yung we become very countercultural na if we take up humility. It is very different in this world na syempre in this world laging ikaw yung dapat nasa isip mo. What comes first in your mind is always yourself in this world. Pero yung tinuturo sa Biblia dito sa Christian bilang mananampalataya, dapat unahin mo ang iba. Unahin mo yung iba kaysa sa sarili mo. So, yung interests mo, yung beliefs mo, yung needs mo. You put others first before yourself. And that's a beautiful thing. Na makikita natin na ginagawa ng Panginoong Hesukristo natin na napatunayan niya na it truly is beautiful when someone of higher position, someone of greater standing, chooses to be of service to others na mas mababa kaysa sa kanya. Yung mas mababa yung posisyon, mas mababa yung ranko, mas mababa yung kalagayan sa mundo na pinili nilang maglingkod sa kanila. Ganun, no? So, yun lamang. Salamat sa pakikinig at mabuhay.